This ain't your grandpa's extension cord. Goodyear reel is built like a tank. Too much power? Ever tried to wrangle a flimsy, tangled mess of an extension cord while juggling power tools and praying nothing shorts out? Yeah, we've been there too. You're halfway through a DIY project or deep in the industrial grind when your cord yanks loose, coils up like a snake, or straight up dies on you. It's beyond annoying, it's a straight up productivity killer. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a hardcore workshop pro, fighting with cheap cords drains your focus and your patience. You need something that works as hard as you do, not something that folds when the going gets tough. Now imagine this. Your project's halfway done, your deadline's burning, and your so-called heavy-duty extension cord just said, nope. You're back to square one, tools powered off, progress halted, blood pressure spiking. That frustration starts eating away at your motivation and rhythm. Every coil, tangle, and unexpected unplug adds another nail in the coffin of your productivity. For tradespeople and serious DIYers, that's not just inconvenient, it's straight up sabotage. The stress? Real. The time lost? Irrecoverable. You're not just fed up, you're ready to declare war on weak cords. Now, cue the hero entrance. The Goodyear 50-foot retractable extension cord reel. This beast isn't some gimmicky toy, it's a legit industrial-grade power partner. Built with heavy-gauge commercial steel and a spring-driven auto-rewind system, it takes the chaos out of cable management. With 50 feet of premium 12AW SJTOW cord that laughs in the face of acid, extreme cold, or 221 degrees Fahrenheit heat, it's the upgrade your tools have been begging for. Triple tap connector? Yup. Adjustable stopper? Absolutely. Circuit breaker protection? You bet. This isn't just an extension cord, it's a power deployment system. Working with this reel is like giving your garage or job site a massive IQ boost. Forget the cable spaghetti. The Goodyear cord reel makes everything smoother, faster, and just cooler. Lock it at any length. Mount it to your wall. Rewind like a boss. Whether you're out in the freezing cold or sweating through a summer build, this bad boy delivers steady, secure power, and keeps your workspace clean and trip-free. Thousands of professionals trust Goodyear for a reason. Curious yet? Tap that link and see how this reel changes the game for good. Here's the deal. The Goodyear retractable reel sells out fast, because people get it. When your tools rely on consistent, industrial-grade power and zero BS from your cable setup, you don't mess around. Join the ranks of contractors, makers, and die-hard DIYers who've made the switch. It's Setless certified, Intertech tested, and built like a flipping tank. Don't wait for your current setup to fail again. Grab your Goodyear reel now, lock in that peace of mind, and power up like a pro. Click now, claim yours, and never fight a cord again.